What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your own face mask at home, and this charcoal face mask is really good. It makes your skin feel so soft and smooth, and it's good for both dry and oily skin. So let's get straight into the video. You're going to be needing a mixing bowl plus a mixing spoon and some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is really good for the skin. It's so soothing and it's a great moisturizer. Go ahead, measure about 2 tablespoons of your aloe vera gel. I'm just going to be using 3 tablespoons today for the purposes of this video, like to show you guys how you can make it, but add ingredients depending on how much quantity you want to make. Then I'm gonna be also using coconut oil. It helps protect the skin, reduces inflammation, and fights acne. Add 1 tablespoon and mix. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly go ahead, click on that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell button so that every time I upload new videos, you won't miss out. And if you like this video, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I have this activated charcoal that I got on Amazon. It's really good. It works super well, guys. I've been using it and I love it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below, maybe if you can check it out. Now I'm going to be adding some 2 vitamin E capsules, but this step is optional. Also guys, if you have essential oils or you're just a big fan of essential oils, feel free to use them. Now our mask is done, and guys, look at this. It looks really good. You're going to grab your storage container and transfer your mask into it. One thing I love about this mask, it makes your skin feel so smooth, and it's good for both oily and dry skin. So guys, this is how to apply your mask. Wash your face with lukewarm water and pat dry your face with a towel. Then apply your mask and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then wash it off and moisturize. So that's pretty much it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.